Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and confirming Drive plus the specific apps you need. Once done, locate the source file and the destination folder so you know where things will move. This prevents accidental duplicates. Make sure file types are compatible: docs for text, sheets for spreadsheets, PDFs for static copies. Open Drive in one tab and the target app in another to speed copying or linking. This parallel setup reduces context switching and keeps you focused. Next, decide whether you need a shared link, an embedded file, or an imported copy and act accordingly. For quick sharing, right-click the file in Drive and choose Get Link, then adjust permissions to anyone with link or specific people. This controls access. If you want the file inside a document, use Insert Right Arrow Link or Insert Right Arrow File. For spreadsheets, File Right Arrow Import brings data into the current sheet. Alternatively, Add Shortcut to Drive creates a pointer without duplication, useful for large files. To finish, verify that recipients can access what you linked or imported by testing the link in an incognito window or a different account. This confirms permissions work as intended. If sync or visibility issues appear, refresh Drive, check your storage quota, and update the Google Apps. These simple steps fix most errors. If an import fails, export the source in a compatible format such as CSV for spreadsheets or PDF for static text. Then re-import. This resolves format incompatibilities efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.